Hi, my name is Ken Drachnik. I'm the product manager for Landscape. I want to welcome you to this introduction to Landscape, which is Canonical's management and monitoring system for all of your Ubuntu systems. There are basically three drivers behind Landscape. One is too much intervention. There's just not enough automation, so most system administrators do everything through scripts or manually, occasionally overlooking some of those routine tasks. Two, there's just too many updates. There are thousands of packages in the Ubuntu repository, which means that there are updates available every single day. And all you need to really respond to are those high priority security updates. And three, sysadmins seem to always be reacting to problems. So by some proactive systems management software, we can minimize the amount of time that you have to spend reacting to problems and turn you into proactive system administrators for your Ubuntu systems. Landscape was developed primarily to increase the productivity of system administrators. It automates many of these routine tasks that your staff has to do every day so they can be much more effective. It simplifies the patching, configuration, and compliance of all of your systems, and is designed so that you can manage many systems as one by grouping like systems so that you can apply patches to those systems very simply through a GUI interface with a simple click. And finally, we have alerting capability so that when priority patches are available, we can alert you via email or in the future SMS, allowing you to respond to those patches much more rapidly than you would to, say, routine maintenance kinds of patches that come in on a daily basis. So what is Landscape? Landscape does three things very well. One, it simplifies package management across all of your systems. So it allows you fundamentally to patch, configure, and maintain all your systems, do hardware and package inventories, and be able to look at the history of those inventories, and alerts you when critical packages are available, saving you time. We offer this as a simple web-based service. As a software as a service model, you can extend it from one system to scale to thousands of systems. It applies to desktops and servers, and even infrequently connected systems like laptops. And finally, there's no hardware to install or maintain. It's a very simple, intuitive GUI interface so people come up to speed on Landscape very quickly. The third thing that Landscape does is system monitoring. We allow you to monitor your system's performance, track system parameters, and of course this applies to virtual and physical systems as well. On this next slide, we give you a schematic of how Landscape works. You install a simple client on all of your systems that you're going to manage. That client then communicates back with the Landscape service with package inventories, hardware inventories, and sends information about performance metrics over time. The Landscape service, in turn, communicates with the Ubuntu repository to find out which packages are updated, and then synchronizes that information back to the clients to understand which updates apply to which client systems. At this point, a sysadmin can log into a simple web interface and choose to apply any or all or none of those packages to their systems, and then monitor those system parameters that they've set up to monitor on those particular systems over time. Here's an idea of some screenshots of Landscape to give you a feeling for the simple GUI-based interface that we've designed. In the upper left, that's the dashboard that you first see when you log into Landscape. In this case, you have 3 active alerts. There's 3 administrators administering 5 computers in this particular test scenario. You have 4 packages that are upgrades that are available for 2 computers. But more importantly, you can see a little red arrow there showing that there are 2 security upgrades that are available for 2 computers. Those are probably the upgrades you want to focus on first, and this is a unique feature of Landscape that enables you to be much more efficient with your time. In the middle, you can see a graph of the temperature of one system. In general, we provide the capability to monitor temperature, disk usage, system performance, and memory usage over time. But in the lower left, you can see there's a thing we call custom graphs that allows you to develop scripts to monitor other parameters, and as well as the ability to develop scripts to manage other functions on your Ubuntu systems. In the next slide, we show package management, in this case a list of packages, and you can click on any of these packages and find out which computers they've been applied to. You can also click on these packages and then go to do the reverse and apply those to particular systems that you need to upgrade. So Canonical Landscape has been designed to simplify the management and monitoring of all of your Ubuntu systems. We do this through 3 simple ways. 1, automate those routine tasks that you have to do every day. This will help you reduce errors associated with patching, routine system maintenance, matching, and compliance. We supply this as a very easy to use web-based service. There's no hardware to buy and maintain. It's a very simple learning curve using Landscape because of its GUI interface. And you can monitor your systems from anywhere that you can get a network connection. How do you get Landscape? Landscape today is free for commercial support customers of Canonical. It's also available for customers who do not yet require support, and you can get an annual subscription to Landscape. You can register today at www.ubuntu.com/landscape for a free 60-day trial, and you can also go to that URL to get more detailed information on Landscape, read white papers, and take a tour of the product that's a little more extensive than this short webinar. My name is Ken Drachnik. I'm the product manager for Landscape. Thanks for listening.